Happy Wednesday, everyone. I want to explain two words my English students struggle to pronounce: angry, hungry. Angry, hungry. Angry is Angry. My mom is angry because I forgot her birthday. The other word is hungry. Hungry. Yesterday I was hungry, so I ate a pizza. Again, angry, hungry. Angry, hungry. Have a great day. Bye bye.